Welcome back, everybody. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I like to post all sorts of homemade recipes weekly, so if you consider subscribing, be sure to click that bell notification to get all of my latest videos. Okay, today this video is going to be super quick and easy, just like the two dips that I'm going to show you how to make. Here's how I do it. For the first dip, also known as cowboy caviar dip, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of Mexican oregano, a teaspoon of chili powder, a half teaspoon of granulated garlic powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of salt to a quarter cup of fresh squeezed lime juice. And then I'm going to drizzle in at least 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. You could use the oil of your choice. Okay, so now that my dressing is done, now I'm going to go over the fresh chopped ingredients. And the ratios of these ingredients are definitely up to you. So first, I went ahead and diced 1 large jalapeno, and I actually removed the seeds to make it less spicy, but if you like spice, then leave them in. I'm also using 2 diced Roma tomatoes that I removed the seeds from as well. I have a half of a small onion I've diced and a bunch of cilantro. And now I'm just going to add this to the bowl. Now I'm going to add 1 drained and rinsed can of black beans and 1 can of corn. Now, again, the ratios are up to you. If you are going to make this for a large crowd, you might want to double this recipe. So now I'm just going to give all of these ingredients a mix. And to complete this easy dip, now all I'm going to do is add that dressing that I made earlier, combine everything well, and this is done. Another option for this dip is to add fresh avocado, but you want to add it right before serving. And sometimes I make this dip overnight, and then the next day when I'm ready to serve it, I'll add and fold in chunks of fresh avocado, and it's perfect. On to the next dip, and I actually don't have a name for it. Maybe a creamy, chunky salsa ranch dip? Let's go with that. Okay, so here I have 1 drained 4-ounce can of green chilies, fresh cilantro, half of a small onion diced, and 2 Roma tomatoes diced. Now I'm going to add this to my bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 16-ounce container of sour cream. And then the last ingredient is going to be 1 package of ranch dip seasoning. And then I'm just going to give it a mix. And this is it. That is it. It's so delicious and easy, and it's very forgiving. So this is my second easy dip. Now I'm going to serve it with my favorite chips. And now my easy dips are served. And again, these are definitely my go-to dips when I'm in a hurry and going to entertain guests. Okay, so that was super easy and it's very delicious. These 2 style dips are pretty much my go-to dips when I have fresh onion, tomato, cilantro, and jalapeno. You definitely can opt to make things spicier, and if you are not a fan of cilantro because it tastes like soap, you can opt to remove the onion and the cilantro and add scallions. That definitely works, and the ratios of these ingredients are up to you. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.